Hi guys, I'm Arisha
I'm Amitha.
and welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Guys, today we're doing a Q&A.
So 20 questions about makeup.
Wow, every girl wants that.
So I'll ask her 10 questions about makeup.
And I'll ask her 10 questions about different things around makeup, how, when, what, when.
So without further ado, let's get started.
Let's dive straight into the questions. I'll ask you the first question. What's your oldest makeup? Like the makeup product that you still have.
So this is an eyeshadow palette by Sleek Makeup. My oldest makeup product is this eyeshadow palette by Sleek Makeup. Okay. So my question is, what's your most recent makeup purchase?
I have an answer for this one. So last week I bought an eyeshadow palette. This one, the Nude Light from Huda Beauty. Oh my god, it is heavenly. It has all the colors that I need, especially spring summer coming in. I think these
Mix of
are just...
mattes and glitters.
Today I used this eyeshadow as blush to complement my eyes and it really worked good. So my question is, what's the first makeup product that you used?
So the first makeup product that I used was a lip gloss. Yeah, बचपन में I think सबसे पहले every girl starts with a lip gloss only.
Yeah.
So that's we were no different. I only have one lip gloss. So what is one makeup trend that you used to love but now hate?
I have it again. So it has to be Kajal. Like I still have it in my makeup kit, but now
Hardly like once a year sometime.
Maybe for an Indian wear look, but a definite no. I don't like putting Kajal. Like no. अच्छा तू बता दे, what is that makeup product that you used to hate but now you love?
Highlighter.
Yeah.
Yes.
I need-
Quite weird this is, but I think I jumped on the highlighter bandwagon very late.
It's about the technique. If you apply it properly.
Yes.
Now
yes.
like.
And now of course now I can't live without highlighter. I mean the
Highlighter is
makeup finish ही highlighter से होता है. And talking about it, this Anastasia Glow Kit, Ride or Die. I mean I think this is the only one that we use like all the time. We'll switch sometime here and there, but this is like a permanent this thing in our makeup kit. So I like it. Shall now you tell me what's your favorite step in your makeup routine?
Blush.
I think so. Sometimes so you overdo it also. पहले she'll apply सबसे पहले with her lipstick. उसके बाद she'll apply the normal powder brush. बीच में भी whenever we are out.
After also I finished my makeup, end में मैं वापस से
हाँ.
one more blush. I don't know. I just have some big love for
Crazy
blush.
for blush.
Yeah, it has to be blush. Okay, so what is one makeup product that you can't live without?
I think तेरे लिए तो ये obvious ही है. You know it. My brow kit. यार है ही नहीं eyebrows.
यार ऐसे कैसे भगवान ने एक रियल सिस्टर मुझे तो बढ़िया दी है और तेरे
यार
को दी
तेरे
है।
yours are so dense and mine are so scanty. I think because मेरे brows dad पे गए और तेरे brows mom पे गए.
Yeah.
और कुछ करो नहीं करो, brows I have to do. Shall now you tell me what's the worst makeup look you've ever done? You show us a picture.
यार any picture 4-5 years back
ये
तुम
देखो।
निकाल लो कोई भी picture like you'll put the kajal
पहले क्या ही करते थे,
Blush
brows
आके-
है ही नहीं,
ब्राउज
काजल
नहीं है
लगा हुआ है,
बेस नहीं है कंसीलर नहीं है but you have the
लिपस्टिक
blush.
है, ब्लश है एंड काजल है.
और उसमें you're like oh my god I feel so good. Yeah, and we've been to weddings like that and we are thinking कि भाई हम कितने बढ़िया लग रहे हैं. So what's the best makeup look that you've done?
बेस्ट तो मतलब बेस्ट तो नहीं है बट हाँ some good ones are this the Nutella one जो हमने that video one.
Yes.
Also this one in this green lehenga that I'm wearing, that's also very nice.
Yeah.
Because I like my eyes. So yeah, तेरे भी बता.
मेरे तो कोई भी बेस्ट नहीं है.
These are the pictures. So yeah, not best but yeah like better makeup days.
Yeah.
So what's your favorite drugstore makeup product?
What is drugstore?
अरे drugstore means affordable.
So I have to give it to Faces Canada mascara. So this mascara is underrated. ये Wooper Lashes mascara है.
Is it waterproof?
No, it's not waterproof. Is why I actually like it because I know there are other mascaras that you know एकदम fake lashes लगती हैं and they look really good, but not for everyday. For everyday I like this one and yeah.
Comes off very easily, है ना?
Yeah. Okay, so what is your favorite high-end makeup product? High-end मतलब सबसे महंगा.
I know what I am. So mine is this NARS foundation. This one gives a nice sheer to medium
It's a
coverage.
velvety nice stuff.
Yeah, बस जो तुम्हारे blemishes हैं वगैरह को एकदम चाहे छुपाता नहीं है, but it just
it gives like a clean canvas to start with.
Evens out the skin. I'm in the shade Santa Fe Sheer Glow, so medium 2. So this is my favorite high-end makeup product. Shall now you tell me तू सबसे ज़्यादा कौन सा repurchase करती है? What's your most repurchased makeup product?
Makeup product.
That means तू उसको बहुत ज़्यादा finish भी करती है.
हाँ, it has to be my concealer.
True.
Yeah, and this is the one I've showed in like a lot of videos. Underrated again. Sasta Sundar Tikau Padhiya. We don't use so much foundation. Our main thing is concealer only.
On the blemishes, on under eyes. So yeah.
Has to be this. Tell me, what is your earliest makeup memory?
Yeah, you remember when we were kids, we used to go to Annie's place. Annie is our friend. वहाँ पे Rita auntie's makeup used to be there on like her dressing table. So I think that's my earliest makeup memory. We used to go and try her
Lipsticks, nail paint.
Yeah,
she used to have so much.
Yeah, I mean, because our mom did not use so much makeup, so that was like a makeup access. So when auntie was somewhere out, we used to go there and play with her makeup. जब हम कुछ भी stupid games खेले, office and whatnot.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's my earliest makeup memory. So you tell me, what's your favorite place to shop for makeup?
Sephora. I think Sephora has so many brands. It's easy to find whatever you need, and it's the best.
Also, Sephora is online.
Yeah, and they have a lot of offers also online.
Yeah, so you can buy Sephora products online on nnow. nnow.com करके website है. उस पे you get all Sephora items.
अच्छा बता, तेरा most underrated product क्या है makeup का?
Underrated product has to be this NYX setting spray. This is in the dewy finish variant. Underrated because it does the job perfectly well. I mean, it works like a high-end setting spray, like like MAC, like Urban Decay, and gives such a nice finish without being so expensive. I use it a lot, and it like the makeup stays put for like hours and hours. Okay, you tell me the opposite of this. What's the most overrated makeup product that you own?
I'll show you. बहुत मन से खरीदा था. Laura Mercier setting powder, translucent setting powder. So expensive. तो dryness हो जाती है मुंह पे बहुत ज़्यादा.
It's too dry for
It's too dry for me. So that's why, and it was so expensive. It broke my heart. Not because of the money, because it didn't do anything for me, and it's just there.
So the Laura Mercier loose setting powder.
Yeah.
Okay.
अच्छा ऐसा कुछ है जो अब discontinue हो गया है, but you wish that it comes back in makeup?
Yes.
Yeah.
So this there used to be this small little tube of this L'Oreal True Match concealer. I used to love that concealer. It used to just erase these dark circles, and तब तो जबकि क्योंकि foundation वगैरह मतलब you're not even that much into makeup, but that concealer was bomb. So I wish it comes back. Shall tell me, who do you go for makeup inspiration? Who do you go to for makeup inspiration?
So with Instagram accounts, my very good friend Ilya has a page, Beats So Good, and her makeup since college days, वो ऐसे भी कर देगी, I'll look like 10 times better. So her makeup is really good, and I always take inspiration from her makeup. Then there's Juicy Jazz.
Oh yeah, even I like her. I follow her.
Then there is Laura Ali.
Yes.
That's also very good.
Nice wearable makeup.
Jeffree Star.
Nikki Tutorials. I mean, what makeup she does.
Yeah, that's like next level.
Yeah.
Like that you only watch.
That's like entertainment and movie, because you will never be able to do that.
Okay, so last question from me. What do you want to see less in the future of makeup?
I think this too much contouring, like sharp, and like this full coverage foundation की मतलब skin ही नहीं दिख रही है. I mean, it's good for people who are doing it, but I think we should be comfortable in our own skin also. Yeah. I mean, we can't run after perfection. That you just lose your
little
sanity.
Imperfection is good, so because it's unique to you. That
Exactly, and we are humans. Humans are not perfect. Nobody's skin is perfect. So too much contouring, too much full coverage.
A lot of layers.
Yeah, I
think definitely that should
settle down a little, and people should be okay with their skin. Chal, so my last question is the opposite. What do you want to see more of in makeup future?
It's actually kind of similar to what you said. I would like people to concentrate more on their skincare routine. Like it should become a part of makeup. Like before starting your makeup, 15 minutes 10 minutes, how much ever people can spare, should be about that moisturizing. So makeup ke questions yahi khatam hote hain guys. If you want to ask us anything related to makeup, definitely ask
Or
us in the
anything
comments.
else.
Yeah, in the comment section below, and we'd love to answer your queries.
So that's it for now, guys. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And follow us on Instagram. We make some really fun content there as well. And we'll see you next Friday.